welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to share 15 amazing things that is going to happen for the Scorpio people in 2025. This particular video consists only of the positive prediction because this time I decided first I'm going to share the 15 positive things about each zodiac sign that may happen in 2025, and in the second video I'm going to share overall prediction what is going to happen in 2025 for each zodiac sign. So this particular prediction is based on the moon sign or the ascendant known as Lagna. If Scorpio is your moon sign or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. Along with the predictions, I'm going to share you the remedies also to enhance your luck. So the day when you have watched this video, start doing the remedies. What is the purpose of me sharing the remedies is that because astrology as a subject is more about guidance. So if you are going to do the remedies before the event happen, before the good or the bad event happen in your life, you will be able to decrease the intensity of the problems and the challenges in your life. Always remember, life is full of happiness as well as the challenges. So we can overcome the challenges with the help of the good karmas, with the help of the remedies, and the most important is the integrity and trusting the universe. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief about all the remedies that you should do to make 2025 a perfect year. Along with that, the 15 positive, amazing predictions that may happen with you in 2025. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us about the videos that we post. Transit is going to take place around 21st of January. Mars is going to fall in your 8th house. 8th house, which is a house of the transformation, which is a house of the sudden things happening in your life. So this is a time where if your money is stuck, especially related to the ancestor or your ancestor property is stuck, if you are going to take an action during this time, then there is a high possibility you will be able to win that case and will get your ancestor property easily. This is a good time, being Mars is going to aspect into your second house, which is a house of the wealth, which is a house of the family. So there is a high possibility to get the sudden wealth during this time. Or if you are stuck in any legal case related to the ancestor property, take the action. There the high possibility you will be able to overcome that legal case, because when any planet fall in some houses, that fall in that house to complete some pending work. So if your work is pending related to the ancestor property, related to any amount is stuck, insurance or sudden amount you are expecting from somewhere, that money is stuck, then take the actions. There is a high possibility you will be able to get that money back, which is going to take place around 4th of February. Now Jupiter will start moving straight, and for you Jupiter will sit in your 7th house. So this, if you are facing problem in getting married, or you are in talking state with someone but that person is not giving you marriage commitment, or you are facing challenges in your married life, then things will started improving from here. With the blessings of the Jupiter, you are going to see a improvement. If you are looking for a partner, then during this time you will be attract a right partner. Your marriage can be fixed. If you are already in relationship with someone and that person is not giving you the commitment, then there is a high possibility things will move on now, and you may take this discussion to the second level and marriage can be fixed. So with the blessings of the Jupiters, things will become better in your life, married life, as well as if you are struggling to get marriage. This is a good time for the growth in your business also. If you want a new client association, you are into a business and you are looking for a new client association, or you want to expand your business, then this is a good time. Finances wise also, you are going to see an expansion here. This is a time where you are going to see a lot of improvement in your own self. You are going to do a lot of self analysis. You are going to work a lot on yourself. You are going to work on your weaknesses, and you are going to enhance more your strength. So this is a good time for you, golden period for you. Jupiter is giving you the blessing in your marriage house as well as in the finances. So try to take the actions. When the time is in your favor, then try to take the actions during this time. Universe will help you to overcome that. And whenever the planet are aligned, try to open and receive the blessings from the universe. So during this time, be open to receive the 28th of January, Venus will move into your 5th house and will be exalted there. sitting in the Pisces, which is a favorable position of the Venus. So this is a good time for the people who are single and looking to mingle, looking for a partner during this time. Then this is a perfect time, being Venus is going to sit with the Rahu, and it is said that the Rahu can only be controlled by the Venus. So there is a high possibility, if you are single and you are looking to attract the partner, then be open, be active on the online dating app, because Rahu is connected to the digital, to the online, and there is a high possibility during this time you are going to attract someone through the online dating app or through Facebook, Instagram, something on the online that should be connected to online. So be open if you are single and looking to a partner, then try to be open. Try to be active on the online dating app. There is a high possibility you will be able to attract some partner there through the online dating app. This is a good time to get investment from the foreign country, or if you want to settle down in the foreign country, then also this is a good time. This is a good time if you want, if your PR is stuck, take action. There is a high possibility you will be able to get your PR also during this time. So overall, this is a good time for the singles who are looking to attract the right partner, or for the people who want to settle down in the foreign country, or who are into a business where they are getting the earnings from the foreign country. Are coming on the way. Around March 29, Shani will move into the 5th house, where already the 3 planets are already sitting here. So that will be the conjunction of the 4 planets there. So this is a time where your mindset will totally change. You are going to see your life as a new life, and you are going to take the initiative. There is a high possibility you may purchase a property during this time. If you have a foreign connection, then there is a high possibility you are going to earn from the foreign country. If you are already in relationship with someone and you want that relationship to convert into the marriage, this is a good time for the people who are looking for the love marriage. So you can take the next step, take things ahead with the possibility. There is a high possibility that your marriage will be fixed here. So this is a good time. This is a time of a new beginning. This is a time of starting something new. This is a time overall your life is going to take a shift, and that will be the positive shift. You have to just take the action when the energies are aligned in your favor. So it's a time to take the actions, because luck will be your side. Your hard work will start paying. You will get unexpected money. Your communication will be better. You are going to see overall improvement in your life. There is a high possibility between May to October you are going to visit some religious place, and you will be more inclined towards the universe also during that time. This is a life-changing year for you. Your hard work and rewards will bring good luck into your life. So this is a time around 18th of May. Rahu is going to move in your 4th house, which there is a high possibility that you are going to settle down in the foreign country during this time. If you are looking for a shift in your career, or you want to change your job, then also this is a good time to go ahead. After October, there is a high possibility, if the people who are looking for the second marriage, they can take a action. There is a high possibility their marriage will be fixed, and this will be the good married life for them. So overall, it seems like Rahu is going to sit in your 4th house, Ketu is sit in your 10th house. So there is a high possibility you may purchase a new house, you may settle down in the foreign country. There may be a change of the job, and this particular job will be going to help you out to get expansion finances wise and overall growth. Your luck will improve, opening new doors for the success. So this is a good time. Even this is a good time for the students also. They will be more focused, concentrated. And for the students who are looking for a job, there is a high possibility they will be able to attract the right job also during this time. To overcome the challenges, you should do the remedies. So the day when you have watched this deep video, you should start doing the remedy. First, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily throughout the year. If possible, then try to chant 3 times in a day. Along with this, you have to do this remedy the day when you have watched this video. For 3 Tuesday, you have to do this remedy. For every Tuesday, you have to offer sweets to Lord Hanuman and distribute the same to the needy. And if possible, then every Tuesday, light up a mustard oil lamp in front of Lord Hanuman. Add 2 cloves in it. Do this at least for 3 Tuesday. If you are going to do these remedies, it will help you to overcome the challenges that you may face in 2025 and will help you to enhance your luck also. If you like this video, then share this video with your loved one. Thank you and have a great day.